Guillotine shearing machine operation tutorial. Applicable for DAC-360T. Part 1. Fill the oil and cable connections. Filling the oil tank with anti-wear hydraulic oil. Connect the machine to the power source. Connect to a 3-phase power source. Switch on the power source. Connection of air source for pneumatic rear supporters. Connect the pedal switch to the machine. Turn on the machine power switch. Turn on the key switch, the indicator light will be on. Release all emergency stop switches. Long press the reset button. Long press the pump start key. Confirmation of indicator lamps. One single lamp on indicates a wiring phase sequence error. Press the emergency stop. Exchange the 2 wires connection. Turn the power on again to confirm the indicator light condition. Both lights are on, indicating the correct wiring connection. Part 2. Machine startup. Turn on the machine power switch. Turn on the key switch, the indicator light will be on. Release all emergency stop switches. Long press the reset button. Long press the pump start key. Waiting for the system loading. Part 3. System operation. Start programming. Input the sheet thickness of 2 mm. Input the sheet length of 150 cm. Start up and running. The system automatically calculates and adjusts the shearing angle. Part 4. Cutting. Placing the metal sheet. Step the pedal switch and cut. Part 5. Measurement and calibration. Measure the length of the cutting sheet. It shows 145.5 mm. Problem found. There is a 0.5 mm error. Click on the icon. Click to maintenance. Input the actual measured length, which is 145.5 mm. Calibration completed. Cut again for testing. Measure again. It is correct now. Part 6. Functions show. The system automatically alerts and indicates the content of the error. Part 7. Switch off. Press the red stop button. Press the emergency stop buttons. Turn off the power switch.
HARSLE. Save time, money.